Okay, I'm gonna smash my Iluv docking station because it kind of broke on me. It like plugged into the wall and then it started smoking. So let me just prop this up on the ground because I don't really have a camera stand. There, good. Now watch. I'm sorry, I don't really want to do this, trust me. Okay, part of it fell off. Ew. Those buttons don't work. Let's see if I can go get that piece. Here's that one piece that fell off. Other than that, it seems to be in pretty well working condition. I got something even funner. I'm gonna go get a hatchet. You have blown up on me. I'm sorry I had to do this. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. It opened. Yay. Oh no, I can finally get the part that's faulty out. Don't really want to. It would probably be more fun to just kind of get rid of it. Oh yeah. There it is, snapping back in place. Ever so neatly. There, we're just gonna kind of stick this on. There. Now what should we do? Smash it with the driver. Okay, I'm gonna do this with the driver now. Why not finish you off, old boy? You were well when you worked. Nice. Ooh. Camera fell down. Oh well. This is the aftermath of my destruction. Wait. Dang. I think we have something to say after this. It's totaled. It's broken. And, what should I do with it now? I don't know. I'm gonna go look for some more weapons of destruction. It'd be nice if this could close. Why not make it close? I don't even know why I did this to you. I'm so sorry. I wonder if it still works. You know, I'm just kidding. I'm not even gonna try. I'm gonna go this way as hard as I can. I just hit it with a baseball bat and it got pretty screwed up. It cracked a little.
If you were wondering, the camera was upside down the whole time. I'm so sorry. Jeez. Oh, had to do that to my Iluv. Not really sure my Iluv is lovable anymore. Yeah. I think there's another piece over here. Oh, this was such a nice docking station. Oh my god, I don't even know why I just did that. But, see you later.